What if I told you that right now, in operating rooms across the world, robots are learning to perform surgery completely on their own? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you something that's going to change medicine forever. Before I reveal what these robots can actually do, you need to understand why some doctors are already starting to quit their jobs because of this technology. I'll tell you why this is such a massive breakthrough. See, for years, we've been trying to teach robots surgery like this. In months, programming every single moment. Imagine trying to program a robot to tie a shoelace. Now multiply that complexity by 1,000. That's surgical programming. The old method had three major problems. It took years to program basic procedures. Robots couldn't adapt to unexpected situations. Each new procedure needed to be programmed from scratch. That's not going to work. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. These new robots learn surgery like medical students through something called imitation learning. Instead of being programmed, they watch and learn. But here's the crazy part. They don't even need perfect information to learn correctly. It's like they develop surgical intuition. Secret sauce is something researchers call relative action formulation in human terms. Instead of trying to know exactly where everything is at all times, which is impossible, robot focus on how things move in relation to each other. Think about catching a ball. You don't calculate exact coordinates in your head. You just know how to move the hand relative to the ball. These robots now learn the same way, and that's what makes this revolutionary. Now you may be thinking, this is just another cool tech demo, but there are three massive implications that nobody's talking about. The third one could completely change healthcare as we know it. First, these robots could make surgery more accessible than ever before. Imagine rural hospitals in developed countries having access to world-class surgical precision. A single expert surgeon could oversee multiple robots, bringing top-tier healthcare to places that have never had it before. Second, and here's where it gets concerning. We're already facing massive surgeon shortage. The recent survey reveals something shocking. 1 out of 5 doctors are planning to quit within the next 2 years. But here's the real kicker. It's not because of AI, it's because they're drowning in paperwork and fighting insurance companies instead of actually treating patients. Doctors are saying they now spend half of their days arguing with insurance companies on whether my patient really needs procedures. It's crushing their souls. But here's the game-changing third point that's keeping healthcare executives up at night. While Da Vinci robots cost about $2 million today, experts predict these prices could drop by 70%. 5 years as the technology becomes more automated, suddenly robot surgery isn't just for the elite hospitals anymore. Think about this. There are over 50 million surgeries performed in the US alone each year. Even a small improvement in precision could mean millions of lives saved. But it also means millions of medical professionals need to adapt fast. Here's what makes this truly incredible. Because these robots learn through observation. They can learn from the entire global database of surgical procedures. Every surgery, every recording becomes a learning opportunity. It's like having thousands of years of surgical experience in a single system. So are AI surgeons good or bad for society? The truth is, it's both. Exciting and terrifying. While this technology could save countless lives and make superior healthcare accessible to billions, it's also disrupting one of humanity's oldest and most respected professions. If you found this video mind-blowing, hit the subscribe button because next week I'm going to show you something that's even more incredible. Drop a comment below. Would you trust AI to perform surgery on you? Let me know what you think.